I'm going to show you how we go from this to this, the Adventure Ready Raptor. The tent took only 5 minutes to install and set up. In addition, it's fitted with headlight guards, black weather shields. It also has a front window sunshield with a Ford licensed rear window sunshade. The car is also fitted with a ceramic paint protection, which gives you a 20-year warranty against environmental damage to the paint. It also has a ceramic tint running through all the windows on the vehicle to give you an SPF factor of over 250. Roof mounted light bar. The light bar is set to auxiliary switch 6. The storage box is lockable. It opens and can stay open if you needed to. Lots of clever storage space inside. And in addition to that, it's also fitted with a drainage plug. So if you do want to put ice or anything in there to keep things cool and you need to get rid of the water later, you can do that simply and easily with a drainage plug. The storage box is bolted down into the back of the car securely with proper metal braces, so it's not going anywhere. The ARB Esperance RTT roof tent is sitting on the ARB base rack. The tent can be easily removed from the base rack and stored away. This is the hard top that normally covers up the tent when it's closed. On the inside, it's softly padded. It's gas strut loaded, so it opens and closes. You also get these storage pockets that you can hang off the tent and store extra things. The base of the tent is cushioned and has this suede material finish on the top, so it gives you a nice, soft but firm finish, really comfortable for sleeping in and for just relaxing in during the day. I've come in from the main entrance, so you've got the back window over there, and you've also got another window out the front just there. You've also got a roof netting just there that you can open and close if you want to, but it gives you a nice buffer zone between the top of the tent and the roof so that you get some air flowing through there. If you want to know how to get your Raptor adventure ready, subscribe to our channels, leave the questions in the comments below, and we'll see what we can do to help you.